So I haven't done a video in a long time, and I went down stage and the wife's grandmother's rocking chair. So this is Nita's grandmother owned this rocking chair, and it's pretty well destroyed and ready to go into the dump. So I'm not very good at anything when it comes to carpentry or mechanics, but I got a brother who knows how to do it all, so I usually goes up and torments him to get anything done. So I got the chair, we got the got some nice handles recut. Two nice handles recut. And the little spindles that goes in there. I don't have a wood lathe, so you come up with this.
John will laugh at that.
Hey, John, well, yeah, because that's pretty like that. I was saying that the chair is, say the old chair is over 100 years old. And he was really ready for the dump, so see if we can bring him back to life and decide what to do with him. So there's a crack in the seat all the way along. So hang on. Put some tape there so the glue don't run out. But that's what my brother told me to do anyway. I got some tape put there so I don't lose the glue, and get her filled with glue. Get the seat sat back together. Not easy to watch the glue and watch where my hands still.
Got some rags, you know, we don't take much to go over. What glue you got there, paper glue?
Wood glue, 10 minutes. So what's this? Loctite Express wood glue. Tighten her up. See if she's going to sit in. So, this spindle was broken too. And it looks like someone tried to repair it with some JB Weld. So, put this one in wood glue too. See how that one goes.
not sticking to it.
My brother's a weirdo. Must have. This is the bottom that he puts the wood in.
Fork breaks this time. Getting lined up though. Oh, that's have to let go now. Boy, you know that.
There, you're there. You need sitting in or something. Got a lot of chewing, Maggie. Look at that, bro.
Yeah. Put there again now. See, boy, that's all.
It's all not, it's just that one. It's not easy to do, bro. You can take it, you want it?
Smaller down here, isn't it? Yeah.
So, she's clamped up tight. Put all the clamps on her. We're going to try to get this baby rocking again. Get it? Rocking chair? We're going to see how this goes. Excuse the mess, folks. Wife's been in there. Wife's been in the salon working for weeks.
That's a rocking chair. I can tell what it is. Oh, you fixed Nan's rocking chair. My goodness, this is amazing. Oh, you fixed Nanny's chair.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, so you put a new arm on? Two new arms.
And new spindles.
Oh, you make the spindles, boy?
Sandy?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Nice, what?
Yes, it is. Really nice. Thank you.
Don't cry, huh?
Is Nanny's chair
I
there?
know.
Oh, I had a grandmother knit.
In a chair. Come on, we gotta go down the road.
Well, I'm right impressed.
You want to eat too, you said?
Wow, good job.
Well, there you have it, folks. It don't take much to make someone happy for Christmas. I'm glad the wife liked it. It was good to do her Nan's old chair. And thanks my brother for helping me do it. And helping me build her Christmas present as well. Merry Christmas to everyone. From the Flying Gardener. Let's keep growing on the rock. Have a great one. Bye.